Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide and play the celebrations because we are back with an Apple video. Yes, I know. You haven't uploaded anything Apple related for a while, but we're coming with a bang and we're coming with the new iPad Pro. Now this is the M4 2024 model. Let's do a quick unboxing as we all like to do, and then I'll do a follow-up video of my experience with this iPad. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this one. So as you guys can see, this is the new iPad Pro. This is the 13-inch model. Now I initially got this day one. However, I bought just the Wi-Fi model and then I was like, do you know what? I really want a cellular one, and that's what we've got here today. So we've decided to get the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 Wi-Fi with cellular, and it's a 256 gig base model. I don't need that much storage, guys. I am one of those idiots who uses Word, Excel, stuff like that, and I've got OneDrive, so I don't need to worry about anything for work. And I wanted to get the cellular version because I travel around quite a lot. It'd be good to take my iPad along with me. And my previous one, which was an M2 iPad Pro, this device did everything for me. However, it was an 11-inch model. I really wanted to be able to use this externally without having to constantly either hotspot or use my bring some sort of tethering device or wait for Wi-Fi connections available in hotels, etc. So this M2 iPad Pro from 2022, it did me well. However, some issues I started noticing. The M2 variant for the iPad Pros, the battery would die quickly, and I have no idea why, but it would just constantly die quickly. And it came to a point where I was just getting frustrated. I'll be on FaceTime and I couldn't even complete my FaceTime calls. Yeah, it just wasn't a pleasing experience anymore, and thus I decided I wanted to upgrade. So let's get straight into opening this bad boy. Let's get that peel sound that we all like. So it just sounds absolutely pleasing, doesn't it, guys? And the iPad should pop straight out, and that's our first look. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. So we get a very paper thin type of iPad Pro. I'm just going to leave the packaging on for the time being. I still need to put my screen protector on. One of those guys who is very delicate with his devices. So it's thinner than the iPad from the M2 iPad Pro. And you can see I've got the space black color. Looks very good. It's in its packaging. Let's put that to the side over here. Let's have a look what's in the box now. So you get it designed by California. One thing I believe, we do not get stickers anymore. No, we do not. We do not get any stickers anymore, which is a bit sad. Apple likes to do its thing. Interesting. I didn't watch any of the reviews. I haven't seen any of the videos yet. I don't know that they give you a black cable, a USB-C cable for your iPad. That's very good. I wonder if they just give you a normal white one for the silver one. We'll never know. We're not going to be looking at that at all. So, quick unboxing video, guys. Nothing fancy. I will just quickly show you some shots of the side of the iPad. You guys all know what an iPad looks like. I'm not going to waste your time like as YouTubers do. I can do some tests, benchmark tests, etc. But that's not what I use my iPad Pro for. So guys, let's just have a look at a couple of side angle shots of the iPad, and then we'll have a little end of review follow-up going on. And let's just get the beautiful sound that we love when we unbox. And the iPad just delicately slides out just like that. And here we have it, guys. The iPad Pro 13-inch. Now, let me show you guys a different camera angle shot of the comparison between the 11-inch one from 2022 and the 2024 one. So if we have a quick look at the iPads, you can probably see that the cameras have changed. The cameras are now on the top. Sorry, it's probably not showing you the best angle. Whereas the camera on the old one was always at the top over here. Which, you know what, I actually kind of preferred, but it makes sense because they switched it on the standard 10th gen iPad Pro. Just a 10th gen iPad, sorry. And then if we look at the back, there's obviously going to be just minimal differences. I bought this one, I believe it was black, it was space black, I think, when I purchased it. Whereas this is space black as well. Apple's color coding is very, very weird. But yeah, 13-inch, 11-inch, 2022 M2, 2024 M4. And obviously the camera system is a bit different. Apple's done a bit of a weird change over here. They've now had a different type of just a one camera system, I believe. Whereas on the previous ones, it was a 2-camera system. Now, if you're buying an iPad Pro, you could technically just buy the 12.9-inch M2 iPad Pro. I really hate this naming convention that they come up with, and I don't think you'll have any issues with it. I really was just struggling with battery, and that's why I decided to upgrade to the bigger one and the newer one. So that's my justification. Guys, this was just a really quick look. Probably not the greatest video you'll see, but just a quick look on the new iPad Pro. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and make sure you like and subscribe because we got plenty more content coming along